Alright, so welcome to the coding session on fine-tuning. And basically we will use the VGG16 with data augmentation, meaning method 2, where we have 4 layers. We will use that file as the base file to start from. And so let's open that file. We know the drill by now. By the time the file is open, we're gonna run the first 2 blocks of code, make sure the drive is mounted, and here we're gonna change the title with fine tuning. Here we go, fine tuning. I'll put as one word and I'll take the copy of out. Let's run the second block here and mount the drive. Here we go. All right, copy the code. And here we go, we paste, we press enter. Now let's take a look at the code after that. Here in this block, nothing is changing. Here as well, nothing is changing. And here you see we are doing data augmentation. Here, this block, nothing will change. So the only thing where stuff will change is this this model block here. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna put the convolutional base trainable to true. Each layer in Keras has this parameter, trainable. We set it to false because we didn't want to touch the weights of the convolutional base. But in this case, we want it to be true because we want to change it. But we don't want to change all of them. We only want to change the last 4. Yeah, remember block 5 had 4 layers. So let's just add this little piece of code. Yeah, so we're gonna look at all the layers except the 4 last ones. This is how you select the 4 last layers, and we're gonna set these layers to false. So they are true from the beginning, but we're gonna set them all false except the final 4 layers, and that's exactly what we wanted. So let's run this piece of code. Should not be too complicated. What's happening here? Convolutional base is not defined. Okay, let's just run this one here. Should work now. Here we go. Takes a little bit of time. All right, let's try again now. Now it works. So the other stuff, not a lot is gonna change, except I want to put the number of epochs to 100. And then let us just run all the code. Here we go. And this will take a while. As mentioned, we will not sit through the 100 epochs. We'll cut it off around 20 or maybe 30 to see the direction of what is happening. All right, so we're done also with VGG16 with data augmentation, dropout, and fine-tuning. So here again, we've reduced the number of epochs to 20. So let's take a look at the results here. Same situation here, although the accuracy is slightly lower than with ResNet 50, but we're still in the 9340 here, 9340 range, which is quite good. The accuracy curve for validation looks okay, but then here when you look at the bottom, you see that the validation loss is increasing again once we reach about 10 epochs. Now, it would have been great to see what would happen if we would have 30 or 100 epochs. Or another option that we could use is to smoothen the curve and work with rolling averages. This can be seen in Francois Chollet's book. We're not gonna uh, discuss this topic in this course. So let's take note of this.